Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Runna app, a smart personalized training app designed to help runners of all levels stay consistent, get stronger and hit their goals. Let's get started. Runna is a training app for runners, whether you're training for a 5k, 10k, half marathon, full marathon or even an ultra. It creates custom running plans based on a fitness level, goals and available time. What makes it different is that it adapts to your performance. If you skip a run or miss a workout, it will automatically adjust your plan. Also, it syncs with wearables like Garmin, Apple Watch, and Strava to track your progress in real time. Now, to get started, download the app if you haven't. So go to your app store, then search RUNNA on your search bar, and after this icon pops out, tap on that, and then install your app. Then open up your app and sign up with your email. Then you'll be asked to choose your fitness level, whether you're a beginner. Next, you'll set your running goal, for example, running your first 5k or improving your marathon time. You can also select how many days per week you want to train. Based on this info, Runna builds a fully customized plan just for you. Now, once you've set up your profile, the program section is right at the bottom of your page. So besides today, you have the plan option right there. So tap on that. Here you'll see different options based on distance from couch to 5k to up to ultra marathon, and pick the one that matches your goal. You get a week by week schedule that includes interval runs, easy runs, log runs and even strength training or mobile days. You can preview your plan in the calendar and even shift training days to match your personal schedule. So Runna works smoothly with devices like Garmin, Apple Watch and apps like Strava. Once connected, you'll be able to send workouts to your watch, which will guide you through your turns step by step. After each run, your data will sync back to Runna, helping the app track your pace, effort and improvement over time. Then in the calendar section, you'll see all your upcoming and completed runs. So the calendar is at the top of the page at the right. So there's the calendar icon and you can add and edit. If you missed a run, then Runna will automatically reschedule it so you can stay on track, and then you can also log how each run felt, viewing your progress stats and even download workouts for offline use. This app gives you a clear goals, recovery tips and weekly breakdowns, making training easy to follow and less overwhelming. And that is all about Runna app. I hope you guys like this video, like if you did, and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.